What's up guys? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to connect your Epson EcoTank printer to your phone via the Wi-Fi. Now, in today's video guys, we will be using the Epson Smart app on our mobile devices. So guys, this will work with iPhone and Android. All you need to do is go to your app store and you need to make sure that your printer is on and that your phone is connected to the Wi-Fi. So the first step guys is you want to go to the app store. And just a little overview, guys. I'm using an ET-2950 series EcoTank. However, guys, this actually works with any EcoTank model, as the Epson Smart app works for literally any EcoTank across the range. So if you have a different model, that's completely okay. Just stick around for this video. And what we are going to do, guys, is we are going to connect our phone to our printer, and then our printer will be permanently connected to the Wi-Fi. So this is a really easy way to just connect your printer to the Wi-Fi as well. But you're also going to be connecting your phone to your printer so you can print from your phone. So what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to go to our App Store or Google Play Store and search up Epson. So once you search up Epson, guys, you want to download the Epson Smart Panel app. Now, guys, I've seen some people say that this app is paid for or like not free to use. That is completely false, guys. This is a free app made by Epson for us to use on our Epson printers. So once it's downloaded, we're just going to open it up here and we're going to start the process. It's a fairly easy process, guys. It kind of guides you through the whole thing, but I'm going to show you how to do it as well. So we're going to press agree and we're going to press OK. So what it's doing now, guys, is it's going to search for products. I'm going to press not allow. So we're going to press next here, guys. And what it might do now is it's going to show your location, and you have to press allow whilst using the app so that it can find your local devices. And then the next step is to press allow here so that you can find local devices on your network. So it's going to just buffer for a sec, and then we are going to locate our EcoTank here. And what it's going to do, guys, is we're going to press no here because we know our EcoTank works with the app, and we're going to set up a new product. So your printer does not have to be connected to the Wi-Fi for this. Your phone is going to connect to your printer anyway. So let's press continue. And guys, you need to make sure Bluetooth is enabled for this on your phone and that you are connected to the Wi-Fi on your phone. So just like your phone would be regularly set up. And you want to make sure you're connected to the same Wi-Fi that you want your printer to be connected to. And what it's going to do now, guys, is it's going to search for your product. Now, this is a really interesting thing that we have here, is that it says it can't find the product. Now, guys, this happens maybe 1 in every 3 tries. What you have to do is turn your printer off and on again, and then delete the app and reinstall it. So this just does happen sometimes. I don't know why. It's really annoying. But turn your printer off and on again, and we are going to reinstall the app. So I will cut back to when we've done that and show you that it has indeed worked. Okay guys, so we have reinstalled the Epson Smart Panel app and we've turned our printer off and on again. So we're going to go through the same steps. We're going to press agree and okay. And guys, if you were able to find your printer, just hold on a sec. You can maybe skip ahead 10 seconds in the video to when I have gotten back to that same step. So we're going to press allow whilst using the app. And then we're going to press allow finding local devices on our network. So unfortunately, guys, this does happen. This is a message to Epson: fix your app. It's really annoying when this happens, and it happens to far too many people who don't know what to do to fix it. So we're going to press no and set up a new product, and we should see that it should work now. It's going to press continue, and it's going to find our EcoTank, which is on and ready to connect. And here we go, guys, it worked. Wow, I was honestly a bit nervous that it wasn't going to work, but it has worked every time for me so far. So we're going to click on our EcoTank and press yes and continue with the setup. So this product Wi-Fi connection settings are required to be, yep. So we're going to proceed to Wi-Fi connection settings and press next. So now this is the part where we connect to the Wi-Fi from our EcoTank. So it's just going to check a few things. And guys, what we will need now, we should need our Wi-Fi admin password. I'm going to show you where to find that in a second. It should be, okay, see, our product is password protected. So we are going to find our password, which is on the password label, which is on the inside of our EcoTank, and I'm going to show you how to get that. So just press next, and we are going to enter the administrator password. So guys, this is not to be mixed up with your regular Wi-Fi password. This is the printer password that you need for your phone to be able to access your printer. Now, to get that, guys, we want to lift up this little control panel and lift up our printer, and the printer is going to click into place here. And as we can see, guys, we are going to have a little look around for our Wi-Fi admin password, and as we can see, it's not actually on the inside of our printer. So guys, for some of you, it might be on the inside of your printer. If you have a slightly older model, it definitely will be. So just lift up the inside and have a look maybe here or up here inside your printer for the sticker. However, on these models, the ET-2950, guys, the password is right here on this bottom flap. So you just take this out and you just enter in this 8-digit code here. So we're going to do that now here, 8151. 3677. So we're going to press OK, and now, guys, we will be able to connect our phone to our printer. So it's going to check the product's Wi-Fi settings. It's going to see that we are not connected, so we are going to press yes here, guys. So that is connecting your phone, your printer, to your phone's Wi-Fi. Now, what you need now, guys, is your Wi-Fi router password. So once you have that, guys, check, as you can see, you can check on the side or bottom of your Wi-Fi router box for your password if you don't know it. Have a look at the company you're with, as you may be able to find it if you're struggling with that. So I'm going to enter in my password, guys, and then we are going to go to the next step. Okay, guys, so once you've entered in your password, just press OK. Let's see here, we're going to press OK, and guys, we are just going to press yes, and we are going to connect to our Wi-Fi box. So guys, this is going to take a minute or so, and then once you've done with that, guys, your printer will be connected to the Wi-Fi. Hurrah! And your phone will also be connected to your printer. So guys, this will allow you to have basically full functionality of your printer from your phone. You can print, you can scan, you can copy, you can even run maintenance settings and maintenance tasks from your phone. It's a really, really good app. I would definitely recommend everyone to install it, as it allows for really dynamic use of your printer. So this is going to take a few minutes. I'll cut back to when it's done. Okay, guys, so as we can see, the Wi-Fi setup is done and the product and phone are connected. So we're just going to press continue, and look at that, we are connected via the latest firmware to our EcoTank. See, we can even see the ink levels, and they are pretty accurate. Now, guys, that is connecting your phone to the Wi-Fi and connecting your phone to your EcoTank. That is all for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to learn how to use the app, then I do have a video in the description on how to use every feature. But hope you guys found this video helpful. I hope you managed to connect your printer to the Wi-Fi without much trouble. And yeah, thank you guys very much for watching. If you did find this helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, guys. That would help us out so much. And guys, if you need any printing supplies, paper, ink, even a new printer, guys, check out our sponsor in the description below. They are a great third-party printing paper supplier, and they do on-brand, off-brand products, guys, whatever you need, and you would be helping out a small business, and you would be helping out us, guys, your favorite printer content creators. But that is it for today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you have a great day. See you in the next one.